Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Thinkorswim and Tradestation. We'll dive into their core functionalities, commission structures, and overall user experience to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting, understanding these differences is crucial. We'll explore which platform might be the better fit for your specific trading needs and strategies, ensuring you choose wisely. Thinkorswim, now part of Charles Schwab, is renowned for its powerful analytical tools, especially for options traders. Its customizable interface and extensive charting make it a favorite. Tradestation, on the other hand, excels with its automated trading strategies and strong support for futures and forks. Both platforms offer comprehensive desktop, web, and mobile access, ensuring you can trade from anywhere with full functionality. When it comes to costs, both Thinkorswim and Tradestation offer commission-free trading for stocks and exchange-traded funds. However, options contracts have slight differences. Thinkorswim charges 65 cents per contract, while Tradestation's TS Select plan charges 60 cents per contract. It's important to consider these small differences, especially if you trade options frequently, as they can add up over time. Ultimately, the better platform depends on your individual trading style. Thinkorswim is often preferred by options traders and those who value in-depth analytical tools and extensive educational resources. Tradestation shines for active traders, especially those focused on futures, forks, or automated strategies, offering powerful execution. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Choose the platform that aligns best with your trading goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.